Hi friends, today I am going to prepare the red masala added soya dry. Here I am using 1.5 cup of soya chunks. First I have washed in water and then soaked in water for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes the soya has absorbed the water and grown in size. Squeeze to remove the frothy water inside the chunks. Repeat by adding clean water, rinsing and squeezing to remove all the excess water from soya. I have repeated this twice with clean water. Now I am cutting it into 4 equal parts. Depending on size, we can cut into 2 or 4 equal parts. To prepare masala, I am using 7 to 8 dry roasted Byadgi red chili, half teaspoon dry roasted cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon dry roasted coriander seeds, 5 to 6 garlic cloves, 1 cut onion. By adding all these ingredients and little water, I have prepared a fine paste. To this paste, I am adding 1 cup of grated coconut and mixing for 2 rounds. Then transferring the masala to a container. For frying, I have sliced 1 onion and cut 1 tomato. Now I am heating a pan and adding 1 tablespoon of oil and small amount of mustard seeds. Once the mustard seeds start sputtering, I am adding the cut onions, 7 to 8 curry leaves. When the onion is 3/4 fried, I am adding the tomato. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. To this I am adding 1.5 teaspoon of salt and let this cook. Once the tomato turns soft, I am adding the soya. After the masala has been transferred from the mixie jar to a container, I am adding half glass of water to the jar, rinsing and adding that water to soya. Now let us cover and cook this until the soya is cooked. This will take about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I am adding the masala and let's mix this well. Keep this on flame until the masala is cooked. The masala is cooked now. Red masala added soya dry is ready. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to Dhanvi Home Kitchen. Bye.